Algebraic love to that Pamayon test less UH. Say, Anthony the Shiri Langa June Tibet. That's on the Sune. I Tagato Lave the Terry, Tama the Re. Then I love the Manguchi Sama so. Shui Chiche, New de la the muscle of the love like a shake, Tagan and love go re, love like Gay. Darcy love like a shake that I love to you some mare. And then get the book and Langala and the chair and any, Johnson Mayo and any, and yet the John and any, then the Google class now Lola. Love ye, Salavan Kosui, to let Tamani, Lave Kosui, and then Mutin Jang do you by get the password the teacher or at the Google class now, Tushina, Tarlet wood. The password the there HNG2WRE didn't a password re the March thing Sonam Maths class 6, 7, 8 and tier. Chadang love to the money 6, 7, 8 yam to love gain, there's a local watching for love Nangle go in Naledi, local watching. And you want to one you love to some Mare, Kinsel, Nira, Angara test with the money, and darnishing and you want to one Nangle put the I can solely love the Shama Mojang go to the money and to see the combuchi to it. Now to the natural Temuni, Changi or Labada or Sabasana. And Nangle the Chicky to see the Thomas take the shower. And the machine to do machine then WhatsApp unity to watch and do WhatsApp then cutting in test high Kizura. This year, that reading there's couple to ye, I to bottle summer so to go at it. I didn't stay on board. Then I love your dinner and she delete and she was in the modern which I do. I dare test Nagachimos to Kuala. Didn't the money not the identities to ye. The identities Madongela, motivation, judgment test. And then we will do identities. So last week we have completed till multiplication of binomial by binomial divisor. And we'll stick only on the binomial. Multiplication of binomial by another binomial. This was sticking that. So the suppose if you have 2a plus 3 and or 3a minus 7 the stena Maziki small method chart. Right, distribution properties later, foil later, and then alone lela should be small mix on the small lela da. So the first you multiply these two. So then you multiply 2 coefficient numerical coefficient you multiply this. 2 multiplied by 2 you get 6. A multiplied by A you get A square. A the A multiplication you get A square I guess. Okay. That down you multiply this. They multiply this. Okay. A extreme deche innermost to steba, Jangetustana, Kimushugas, a small method to chatura. Okay. A now you multiply this 2 over here. Sin lower so product will be negative 2 times 7, you get 14. A the A midi, you copy A this down. Okay. That 3 you multiply it over here. Sin with plus 9A. Or 3 they multiply the product of two different signs, we get negative 3, 7, 21. Out of these 4 terms, these 2 are like terms. So like terms you add or subtract. We can add. Unlike terms we cannot add and subtract. So you copy this down. A square. Addition comes with sign chain number chain sign key goes to 14 chain right sign key and then subtract. You get 5A minus 21. Oh, that's the other thing. Multiplication of binomial by binomial. Tangagi activity manguchimia topic the remove activity based to my checking a calculation based question malakinda. Suppose first bracket the second bracket ni chipuchika in aslar. Continuously the taslar. The tinda. Think it is shortcut to Taka coming bring up just Mara. Okay. Oh, this is answer. Okay. So now small first you multiply this 2. So a multiplied by a, we get a square. Now a, they multiply this. That are the terms near the side. A square. A multiplied by b, we get a b. The activity based just on this. What we done is get the two data, basically is close to me. And now you multiply b to b. So b multiplied by a, that a multiplied by b to not 3 multiplied by 2 louder, 2 multiplied by 3 chupara. So a multiplied by b or b multiplied by a. I mean same. So I write a b. This is that a multiplied by b is equal to a b. A the b multiplied to what is loud. Okay. Now you multiply this to this. We get b multiplied by b. B multiplied together. We get b square. Okay. A square plus a b then how to do? Need 2 a b plus b square. So the first bracket, the second bracket, ni term chipuchi, angi chipuchi, san chipuchi kaina, plus imana, was the different answer. General RTD distribution answer. So a plus b, a plus angi chipuchi can you go into stage and dollar. Exponent of 3 multiplied by 3, na? I can write as 3 square. The bracket now chipuchi can do, see right bracket. Current multiply bracket now, a plus b. Or then Temo has a multiply, Temuni multiply square. So a plus b whole square means a plus b multiplied by a plus b. And this value can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Thank you. Identity now. This is called identity. From the identity get to punching in that. From the link you watch now. Okay. That I'm division on the doing that. And division on the chance a second there, the lower. Identity class, when class L identity mark she or the city, yet do an identity correct, in addition to what? A plus b now do, honey? And the fourth identity in addition to what? In case kissing a dustana 3x plus 5 and 3x plus 5. That's what you can need in Aslar. Okay, what you can need in the Halina. 3x plus 5 whole square. Let's need you those. Need not only first, let's first term the a shaslar. First term the a shas, the x. First term the a shalar. And second term the b shasankia. B shaslar 5. That the net is a baslar. A plus b whole square. This is the color. Expansion na a square plus 2ab plus b square of those. Then check that one to go da. Okay. The a is equal to 3x and b equals to 5 in the 3x plus 5 this day. Square is equal to or a sabla you put 3x square plus 2ab means 2 multiplied by a value 3x and b value 5 plus b square 5 square of the. And this square belongs to 3 and x both. So 3 square, which is the expansion, 3 square x square of the square. And then multiplication later 2 to the 6, 6 5 is 30. 5 square means 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Oh, that 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, 9. X equal to you write x square plus 30x plus 25. Example in your contour. Expand 7m plus 1. Dustena? This is the 7m plus 1 multiplied by 7m plus 1. You want for the tomotony, you put this is A and this is B. So A equals to 7m first term and second is would be which is the second term. We have 1. Okay. So A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. So question is 7m plus 1 square. A solve you put 7m square plus 2 multiplied by A equals to 7m. B equals to 1 plus 1 square. B square. Now A to B total what tension money call lower. And it not falls there. Or 7 square, 7 7 49. M square plus 2 7s are 14, 14 1s are 14m plus 1 square equals to 1. Again, the try thing at the TikTok. Oh, the try that. And dividing at this. Then I example some that to my data again. First, I did that. Okay, first of the second, you got break all square na. And a square plus 2ab plus b squared. This means a plus b multiplied by a plus b. I'm putting in to record this out. That question day na. A plus b whole square step up. Over here, a equals to 2y, first term, and b equals to second term. Fine. First term 2y, and second term 5 chapter. Okay. And a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. You put value a equals to 2y. Chilo square there on Jashi. Plus 2 multiplied by a equals 2y multiplied by b plus b equals to 5 square. Or 2 square 4 y square plus 4 5 is 20 y plus 5 square 25. The shortcut on the bang of the light of new tom shower. Fault and chimney putting it out. The dimensions and shake it the net depth of load. Then shake it depth of load. A plus b whole square a square plus 2a to multiply this 2 to 10 10 to 20 y 2ab plus b square 5 square 25. Then I do some time. Then break it. First term, the second term, you took what then you got them get a plus door. You got minus in a carriage slash. This is the color. My a minus b then tell me you go in a slash. Then I was it doing a smart she was a smart mass deduction. A minus b multiplied by a minus b. Small pigeon. A multiplied by a square. A multiplied by negative b, negative a b. Or negative b multiplied by a. Okay, negative a b. Negative b multiplied by negative. Sign chip when you do we get positive. B multiplied by b, b square. So small so less or there. Okay. That dinner light terms correct. A b light terms a square. Negative a b then also need so negative a b then need plus b square. That's all going there. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Class to the give up which you okay. 29 square now. 29 square and the bang 30 minus 1 square that tell or plus 1 cousin league as nothing at the dentist at the application gel to the bank in the black nation. That thing I activated not the same bang at 10 to myself contact you. 제가 어제 키와 가지고 기만 마이너스 여기다 플러스 되게 좀 넘버 주부키 시게 되기만 마이너스다 마이너스 2ab키 플러스나 플러스 2ab 저번 이 주부치 한다. 오케이. 되게 생겨 두스나. 오케이. 3m minus what say 5 whole square 네. 이게 된다 칼라오네. 3m minus 5 multiplied by 3m minus 5 되는 데. That the normal term first term is this. So A first term A is 3m. Second term B 5. Give us sign minus na minus 2ab put here. Sign Q na sign makina sign then minus 2 over. So that was plus 2 put in 22. That is the log the bucket amount 2 motivation minus log to. So over here minus na A minus B whole square. A minus B when you expand we get A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, false unit or distribution property unit. Small unit answer the the expansion. Multiplication. Okay, product is that a we have 3m. 3m square minus 2 multiply a equals to 3m and b equals to 5 plus b square, b equals to 5 square. The square the 3 le thagre square the m thagda. Or 3 square means 3 2 samarda 3 times 3 3 is 9 m square minus answer. You multiply this two, we get 60 m plus 25. Example you want to whole square. This you write a minus b whole square, and a minus b, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Give me the plus na plus 2ab. Give me the minus na minus 2ab. Or in this term we have first term is equal to 2x, and second term is 7. Sign kiss out that la. Just sign maki a. Okay, we have 2x a equals to 2x. This is the square na minus 2 a value 2x da. And big value 7 plus big value 7 da anchula square. Then a bracket 가지고 요래 square the 2 da x 니가 타고 square 데 안기 찍으시면 돼. then bracket 요래 말. 2 square equals to 4x square plus minus 2 times 4 7 so 28 x plus 7 square equals to 49. That the plus minus or plus minus application de mazukare number of it square same bar square seven there. Identification to okay. Example you to 31 square. 31 square the type the 0 down the 0 then 31 the nearest 0 got 30 plus 1 square. 가상에서 누구 시험 볼 때 같은데 다 identity reason 시험과 가상에서 비슷한 거 주세요. Plus and bar over here a equals to 30 and b equals to 1. 다 나가 주시신다. a b. Okay, a plus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 다 지금 identity에서는 저기 봐. 30 square 봐. 30 a equals to 30 plus 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by b plus b equals to 1 square. Now the magomza test dewiyo mar. Timothy I becomes na I can square the letter equals to 30 square equals 3 square equals to 9 0 ni theo gặp this 0 square 0 ni plus 60 plus 1. Taerchi 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 6 we get 6 9. That guessing it is 29 square. The nearest square 30 ra 30 ne chikthena asum jura ra square. And over here minus to do so you use a minus b whole square. And over here a equals to 30 b equals to 1. There. That will get that a minus b whole square a minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square that is equal to the market lang lot. Okay, a equals to 30 square minus 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. 3 square equals to 9. 0 and you count number of zeros and 0 is double down. 0 ni na city 0 so mean 20 minus 60 plus 1. If you subtract this, you get 840 plus 1, which is equal to 841. Or the a plus b, a minus b application or change. I think it's the right. Young it is 8 squared. Yeah. Nearest root of some dark to beat again. Breakdown 48 la angni so the current color 0 you check. 48 la current 15 yedo 14 yedo 15 yedo now take the 50 kg. 48 level la 15 cost 15 eh ni thang do okay na 50 minus 2 whole square. The sign minus the a plus b k amount you have to use a minus b whole square division da okay a minus b whole square division da sign a minus b whole square a square minus 2ab plus b square b does. That way, they got the alone a equals to 50 first term and b is equal to second term 2. Sin k or Marta sin del less hara. Okay. 50 square. I'm getting the 15 bracket unit then bracket my unit minus 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 2 a and b. 2 the margin plus b square b equals 2 square 50 square equals to 5 square 25 and 0 is that's a double dance number 0 count and double dance or 2 to the 4 4 5 is 20 0 200 plus 4 now you subtract we get 2300 plus 4 2304 because you get the level 8 multiplication go in or the teaching care of that multiplication diabona has square the cut to shoot okay tada nangi gare angi chikwa che sin chikwa kira first bracket da second bracket angi chikwa sin chikwa imanas la plus na first bracket second bracket niga angi chikwa chiga niga plus sin in middle term sin middle sign plus na ngad khari kiyes first term kiyes odi angi chikwa imba niga sin minus imba na ngad khari kiyes adiki kusla ta angi chikwa sin loga na kachi kiyes la angi chikwa ni sin loga na kachi kiyes b first bracket the chiza a second day a b chash aslar chil plus ki chil minus ki na kach aslar just distribution property or fold or small har pe ming pechda ne ti equations na pomna samma din su derive share tagi ding nang small ne tamu dig de ma chess lasa a multiplied by a square tagi a de multiply chess sin logar do we product negative ab oh b delta multiply chess b multiply a we get plus sin equal a b or b multiply by negative a sin log is a negative b square that minus negative ab plus ab minus ab cut so get a square minus b square there that the answer dine double leg ba that the formula sumbo chat orders 제가 남기다 테스트 나 말아 차서 돼 테스트 지지 지금 마시면 된 바신 아 니마 좀 고르더라 we have a square minus b square 산 로가 나스 또 슬리 레슬라 생이디 휴서 a plus b over here a minus b over here and answer is a square minus b square 당 앞서 또 단도다 오케이 the first term, the second term ni de angi chikwa himba ngala san loga na tanga ka tin li dos la jeng example ching ta fall na chim example san loga ni gitu na ok 3p plus 1 and 3p minus 1 tanga angi chikwa the first term 3p plus 1 minus 1 tanga adin singwa marda adin machine na I have to use small method I'll try to use small method I'll multiply this over here 3 multiplied by 3 9 p multiplied by p square. Now you multiply this 2. Sin lower the we get negative 3p multiplied by 1 3p. Now you multiply this 2 over here. 1 multiplied by 3p sin equal to plus 3p. Now you this multiply this 2. Sin lower is negative 1 1 so 1. Cut 9 p square minus 1. The 9 the correct square 3p square minus 1 square. Kida hada 3b का तेजी बोले सो 1 तेजी बोले सो किमा साइन दी माइनस बी दो तो a square minus b square आंसर लेना चाहिए पड़े ता अदने मस्त दे पाप शॉर जेने शॉर्ट कट तो दाई ना तंगे एग्जाम में आइडेंटिफिकेशन ढूंढा तो स्मॉल बिजनेस वा एग्जाम में तो सुना 2y plus 5 2y minus 5. Oh, over here, ang term chupar. First term 2y, bracket, second bracket again, first term 2y. First bracket, second term 5, second bracket, second term there 5. But the signs are different. Sign chupar na, plus pichu tango there. Nigel plus na, I have to use plus. Nigel minus na, I have to use second part. That's now the sign lower dwa. This I have to use this part. Just the name multiply today. First term a plus b, second term. Over here, this is a and this is b. Give us a minus dwa. A plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. And a equals to 2y square. And b equals to minus and b equals to 5 square. 2 square 4, y square minus 5 square 25. Answer check shortcut today. Then now. Example going to 7p minus 3, 7p plus 3. Understand? Okay, over here, a minus 3 to b, second term. A sin p to you write a. And very low one, you lower to plus b to you write b over here. A minus b, a plus b. Because you have such equals to, we have a square minus b square. And over here, a equals to 7p square, and b equals to 3 square. 7 square 49, b square minus 3 square equals to 9. Check your pocket. Shortcut pay there. Okay, the try that. No, they too. 9 that this is 9 try that. Formula the temperature. The cat taking the formula page and getting it done, temperature state. Tanang love the bus took the level of the end test temperature saying nature. Of a minus b, a plus b. So a equals 10x, a minus b, or 10x the chukwa. So a 9 chukwa, b this sign coverage. Now we have a plus b, so a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square is equal to 10x square minus 9 square. 10 square 100, 10 times 120 multi x square minus 9 square means 9 9s 81. Angi tara karin temwa raja multiplication the square the 2 chung ang borta. Okay. The application number of values evaluation cost picture. The evaluation cost in the example get to then I didn't some thought to evaluate or find the value. Find the values, yes. Values. By using identity. Suitable identity. Angi cut test del power get remember cut the task. Example again to 23 square. 23 square the value says. Now identity down 23 I have to break down into two in the part. Part in the first part the 0 is case some number that ends with 0. Keep the number 23 lang you show 20 da 32. I can't need 23. We 20 is near. So the 23 thing to share. 20. 20 plus cause it over. 3 of them 23 kilo square and shares. The middle sign plus I have to use first part a plus b whole square to pitch down. And this term a equals to 20 and b is equal to 3. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I didn't shake it the pitch answer. A equals to 20. 20 square plus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3 plus b equals to 3 square. That the machine is not shaking 20 square 40 so add 400 plus you multiply with 4 4 3 is 12 0 plus 9. Now you add unit place 9 10 place 2 529. Take a thing to let's see 19 square. Say that 19 you should 20 da 10 da 10 타르가 다 아니 얘도 아니 20 니신이 찍되나 나 죽으라라 치로 스퀘어 봐 당아 미를 좀 많이 써서 I have to use this part so that a minus b pitch answer minus na which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square pitch answer and over here a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 1. First term 20, second term 1 dishes. Or equals to a equals 20 square minus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. 2 square 4, 400 minus 40 plus 1, 361. Leloda minus. 당에 안경 주단 일리 줘. The first, the second. 당에 승이 안경 로간이 주구나. Let's say I'll multiply 19 multiplied by 21. 또 니가 기빠라 들어요 갔다. 니가 빠라 들어요. 19 and 21 니가 빠라 들어요 갔다. And 19 and 21 니가 빠라 들어요 한 22. Right. Then 20 power again 19 will say that. 19 is equal to 20 minus 1. 21 equals to 20 plus 1. Right. 당하고 되면 a 20 20 equal 1 1 equal just we have a minus b and a plus b. A equals to 20 and b equals to 1. A minus b, a plus b equals to we have a square minus b square. A equals 20 square minus 1 square. So multiply 20 square 400 minus 1 is equal to 399. Oh, okay. Example is going to do that. Then it is na. Okay. Yeah, 48. This na. Okay. Tang ngapjuda sibjebgeda ngapjini paral 들어요 하래. ngapju라. ngapjuni samata. sibjebgel래라 ngapjuni 동물 태우라 니 되나? sibjebgel라 ngapjuni 니 되나 sibjebgel라 그래서. ngapju 가라 니 돕나? 말아. ngapju가 아니라고 뒀어. Okay, in this term, a equals to 50 and b equals to 2. A equals 50, b equals to 2. In the sign is lower the, so a minus b and a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. The a square minus b is a equals to 50. 50 square minus 2 square. 5 square, 25, 0, 0, minus 4. The things are lower. 2496. 그 뭐 잡아도 딱 값고 표시도 안 내려왔어. 만원씩도.假如说말로 스타 라모션 되게 할 뒤에서 못하도 이제 뭐 신선 시계 또 시작. 저거 시계다. 오케이. 계속 들어야지다. And t multiplied by 97. Okay, 드니 빨아 가도 들어요 가리게. 걔도 썸다 고주고 드니 빨아. Number that ends with 0 in between 103 and 97 is okay 100. 잘 맞힌다. Okay, 100. 100. Guess the Mara 100 plus Hazuli 100 plus 3. Okay, 100 plus 3 equals to 103. This one. Take break you on the Anginiza. Okay, thank you. 100 Kisara. Ton letter only 100. Okay, I'm using 100. Could you go to the Galliba? Don't go there, 10 order. 10 order, Jan 10s. Jan Kazutan could do this. Jane, some 10 hours could do this. Some to steer. Tanga had 3 multiplied by 100 some downward. Tagado A plus B, A minus A blue, cheaper, Mao, cheaper, the sign lower the. So I use A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B. Give the teacher the bang at the teenage tour and tea till I'm not later. Temperature mark. Young other jang and pajama and temperature. So A equals to 100. 100 square minus 3 square. So 1 1 so 1 0 ni dwa you double it. Check ni som she minus 3 square equals to 9. Now you subtract 9 9 9 1. So call level. Okay. That two the third part of the question did they cure? Tell it short. Part the del power. Come to dinner alone, too late. Or did for example, Gesuna find the value of 17 square minus 16 square. A square minus B square equals to A. 17 plus 16 and 17 minus 16. What was the stuff? 17 multiply answer 16 multiply 10 more. A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B. Shake it swap. And do you add, we get 33. Multiply your subtract, we get 1. So 33. See it. The trick is the algebraic expression is related. Oh, go and stay in age. Okay, this is 102 minus, let's say 100 square. 102 square minus 100 square. The 102 rough set remove over. Then one she get 102 plus 100 A plus B and A minus B. So A equals 102 and B equals to 100. You add, you get 202. Multiply by 2. You multiply, so get 404. What's the other change? I see you had Lela. Okay, today I didn't know it's so third identity layer. So then I'll share. That I didn't come use machine. Use last identity. And this is largest part. Widest part identity. That there are only Tamu new and you chip in us. Chipina a plus into the body pitch dance. Tamu new and you term Tambu the new and the first bracket, the second bracket, Angichipina, San Loga and minus na, the pitch dance. Angichipper de and term Angichipper de, San Loina, are the pitch dance. That dinner, term chick chipoduina, term Shamber Lord to Naslar. Galita. 전부 다 나오기도. 오케이. 잠깐 노가를 붙인다. 점 x 당부들의 x 뉴어들 x 붙여셔라. That's the first term 집어체. 상원 노가나 파일 마시 아이덴티티어 말이야. for shortcut method이요 말이야. 다 디나로네 점 찍찍버다. 점 당부 주네래 뉴어신 찍찍버레스. Then Shabbat Loga in us, plus the minus kilometers, plus a shuna, okay, plus a shauna. Only a plus, Pajudi, okay, plus B which I just. That did not repeat, and you put it to those. Rashable Lord. Then a smile method shooting a formula drop among the smile method in the Macu. Okay, multiply by using smile. X key, X like Gunda. we get x square. Right? X ki b le yunda bx. X ki a x le yunda plus ax. A ki de yunda plus ab. I give me short extension. Smart in between these two four terms, with x very or these two are like terms. Right? So x square a bragio a the b terms multiplied by x common x to temperatures plus ab. Then you got x to x common temperatures. Okay. That did out there. Saying I did this. X plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This can be called used terms. How call Lela in it? Pocalado. B one da b 8 mount da a b thằng ngô bờ b được xin thế thằng khác đấy tự nhiên lo cái có comment đó còn phải chứ để là khác liền đấy b đã a như Thomas là đấy để là a đã b thì chưa đủ là đấy tôi sẽ để thông level nè. Tang also check it in the question in the check debab sigar. Okay. Thank you. Example 6 tunda. T plus 4 now plus to put out t plus 3 this time. Obviously first terms are equal same dole t the chipper but second terms are different. Second term the chipper na attention to the page samna. That in alone, it x sub x kidwa. Okay. So the x to the x sub la t das. First bracket दिखा रहे ना 4 thing a shas हो दे. Okay. तो दिखा दो b das. Second term के second bracket b shas. First term के second term a res. So और bit को दे x scalar. तांगा खा रहे x plus a multiplied by x plus b. Is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a multiplied by b. A b to the a multiplied by b to what? Okay, now we have x sub you put t square plus a plus b means bracket first bracket second number 4 plus 3 actually x to x sub you put t plus a multiplied by means 4 multiplied by 3 log family. So we have t square plus 4 plus 3 7t plus 12. So shake this pop share today. Oh yeah, this go to cover here. Then example you go. Then we simple do that. N plus 5 n plus 3 do तो रिपीट कर दो रिपीट m ची दो और दे x चालो x plus a x plus b x थी सबला m तो so x सबला m your task first bracket the a दो और first bracket second number a the first bracket second number the a shas we have 5 second bracket second number the b in the second bracket de la b value 3 shas तंगे फॉर्मूला दे पिछ तंगे दास so x plus a x plus b is a x square plus a plus b bracket x plus a multiplied by b layers. In this term x sub m your task m square plus a plus b a equals to 5 plus b equals to 3. Actually x sub you put m. We question a variable correct division plus a multiplied by b means first term a and 3. A and B. This is m square plus 5 plus 3 8 8m plus 5 3 is 15. Okay, there. That the identity minus in the loga. See the first term minus na to the loga, second term minus na to the loga. Now from the Mungu Chadur. Chitting Karki, then no sign current to put him up of cash. From the Darbish and minus lay. Okay. Tanga from the minus in a house to that. Plus Lela, another ration number that someone also do good. Praise still was all score good. See there. Tanga shortage time in the bank, what did you watch? Ale link you can say. Okay, stay slow and taste color water. Average the also good the I just see to take a thing to Sina. Okay, to stay that 2y minus 3 times 2y plus 5. The number current bichido 2y bichido or 2y the x out. So x is equal to 2y. Number current first bracket second but current bichido. The bichido 2y as the x out. Okay, now you take second term of the first bracket the a shares. -3 you carry -3. Okay, second term of the second bracket the sign the someone you key positive in the 5 to station da. Negative na -5 key positive in the 5 to share. Okay. Now you use this part. X plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a multiplied by b. The digital test you can cause my credit equation and polynomial class 10 test later. The application should say the class 9 later. Now do it. Okay, so x square x you put 2y. Okay, 0 square square plus a equals to -3. That's sign here. Plus b equals to 5. X you put 2y. A multiplied by -3, b equals to 5. 2 square equals to 4, y square. Only the more did not see in the sign lower door. So at the right side large level 2y plus regular sign lower unit we get -15. Or next you remove the brackets. So we have 4y square you multiply plus 4y product two different sign with -15. Integer change that work or level. Or example you can do that. Comparison to young eyes and you take chocolate but colors much too. Okay. N plus 7 m minus 5. So what is repeating? M. So x is equal to m. So second term of the first bracket is a, positive with 7. Second term of the second bracket is b, -5. Okay, so x plus a times x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a multiplied by b to start. Now you put value x supply you have m square plus a equals to 7 b equals to 5. Sign into this kid plus minus much. They carry the and then x to x supply you put m. The mango de two daddy. Tell the temperature. A multiplied by b. A equals to 7 multiplied by -5. M square plus 2 m to bracket m to say that plus -35. Now you remove the bracket. M square plus 2m minus 35. Okay. This comparison door. That the mang at digital to some of them love in our test course. To the giving at the shaggy. There was the bit of some so I am. And I jangled the mountain in bringing a Google class and a mountain and love shaggy them. Exercise the yendo. Page and delicate Google class depend on Chay Yon. And to shoot the chingena. I number like a cut amount depend on Chay Yon. Rosamudo. No, I need a bye. Shui. Ani conseil kiu da ra nyam do le yi jang lo chi shue yi bye bye. bye.